Assalamu alaikum friends, my name is Aisha Saleem and you are watching Market Minds. Fear and greed will destroy your account faster than any market crash. A smart trader sticks to the plan, stay calm and never chases lows. Always remember, your mind is your most powerful trading tool. Every loss, every win, it's a lesson. Write it down, analyze it and adjust your strategy. Trading isn't magic, it's experience over time. Don't try to hit a jackpot in one trade. Small, consistent profit beat big risky bet. Think long term, not one time glory. Trading is about smart moves, patience, and learning every day. Follow the right strategy, control your risk, and let the market reward you. If you want more tips like this video, share it and subscribe for daily trading hacks. In trading, slow and steady wins the race always.